I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the phone and removing the SIM tray. This prevents short circuits. Once done, use a heat source to warm the screen edges to about 60-70 degrees C so the adhesive softens. While the glass is warm, place a suction cup near the edge and pull gently. Meanwhile, insert a plastic pick to keep a gap. Use a slow, steady motion because rushing can crack the glass further and damage the display underneath. You maintain the opening gap with suction and picks, prying a little more around the edges to release clips. Once you have an access point, remove the screws holding the midframe, organize them so reassembly is exact. Make sure you disconnect the battery first to reduce risk of shorts. Then locate and carefully detach the display connectors with a plastic spudger. These are fragile ribbon cables, so lift the connectors straight up to avoid tearing or bending them. You place the new screen face down and reconnect the display and battery temporarily so you can test the touch response, front camera, proximity sensor, and charging. Once everything works, power down and apply new adhesive or double-sided tape around the frame, then align and press the panel evenly to seat it. Reinstall screws and SIM tray. If the display doesn't power or respond, the main troubleshooting tip is to recheck connectors and battery connection, reseating any loose ribbons before final sealing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.